Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix Word can't do this because the dialog box is open. That Microsoft Word error can't do this because the dialog box is open. It's basically Word's way of saying close that mystery pop-up you forgot about first. It usually happens when hidden windows like Find and Replace, Font Settings, or another prompt is still open in the background but not visible on screen inside Microsoft Word. The quickest fix is to press the ESC key a few times to force close any active dialogues. If that doesn't work, use Alt plus Tab to cycle through open windows and look for any hidden word pop up. Then close it manually. You can also check your taskbar to see if a dialogue is sitting behind other apps. Another stronger option is opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, finding Word, Microsoft in the process list, and ending the task completely before opening it. And once Word restarts, the hidden dialog is usually gone and the document behaves normally again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.